Today we review the Asus Zenbook S14. Hi, this is another episode of Fluent English. It's a new laptop that costs $1,499. Let's see if it's a good choice for you. Design and build. This laptop is very thin and light. It's only 0.58 inches thick and weighs 3.1 pounds. You can easily carry it in your bag. It's also strong because it's made from metal.
Thin, not thick, small in size from one side to the other. Light, not heavy, easy to carry. Strong, not weak, can handle a lot of weight or pressure. Metal, a hard, shiny material like iron or gold.
Display. The screen is really good. It's a 2.8K OLED touchscreen, so it looks very clear. The colors are bright, and it's perfect for watching videos and editing photos.
Clear, easy to see. Colors, different shades like red, blue, or green. Bright, full of light, easy to see.
Performance. The laptop is fast. It has an Intel Core i7 processor plus 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage. This means you can do many things at once, like watching videos, working, or browsing the internet. But it's not for heavy gaming.
Processor, part of a computer that makes it work fast. Storage, space in a computer to keep files.
Keyboard and trackpad. The keyboard is comfortable for typing. The touchpad is big and it can also be used as a number pad. This is good for people who use number a lot.
Keyboard, the part of a computer with buttons for typing. Comfortable, feel good to use. Touchpad, the part of a laptop you touch to move the cursor. Number pad, a small keyboard with only numbers.
Connectivity and battery life. The laptop has many ports. It has USB-C, USB-A, and an HDMI port. The battery lasts for about 8 to 9 hours, so you can use it for most of the day without charging.
Ports, places on the laptop to connect other devices, like type of port to connect things like phones or chargers. HDMI, a port for connecting to a TV or monitor. Battery, the part of the laptop that gives it power.
So, should you buy the Asus Zenbook S14? If you want a light, fast, and good-looking laptop, this one is a great choice. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more English learning videos.